Hello everybody, I'm Gabi and this is Gabi Tech. In today's video we're gonna take a look at one super cool bundle from Razer. But before that, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Recently I'm seeing that my subscribers don't watch me, which makes me extremely sad. And if you're a new viewer here into this channel, please click that like button. It will just take one click of your mouse lifespan. It will make me super happy. Also, if you have a little bit more clicks to give, you can subscribe with the ring bell button to make somebody happy in this world today. So please do it. So now let's take a closer look to this super cool bundle from Razer. The bundle is consistent of products that are in the middle class of peripherals. Prices of these products are extremely good. Starting with the mouse Razer Deathadder V2, the keyboard Ornata V2, and the famous Gigantus mousepad XL size. Each one of these products you can find in your local stores and in your local Razer stores if you have any in your country on very good prices. Now we will start with the mouse, then the mousepad, and we will continue with the keyboard by testing all three of them. I really like this bundle, and at the end of the video you will hear my true opinion about it. So stay tuned and let's go for it. We have the typical mouse box, good quality Razer with some pictures of the mouse on top of it. Let's open, let's see what there is inside. We have the mouse itself with the plastic cover, then the documents and stickers from Razer. The mouse itself is super classic mouse. That other series dates since 14 years ago. And this is one of the best mouse you can get, wired one. You can get at this time, at least in my opinion. It feels identical to Razer Deathadder Elite, but much more improved cable, better fit and profile switch buttons, which are 8. You can customize them and control them, and you can change the profiles from the lower button without even needing to connect to the Razer sign-up software. It has customizable CPI range, the click latency is extremely low, it's well suited for palm grip and should be comfortable for any hand size, even though small hands wouldn't exactly like it. Outstanding performance, improved cable, 79 grams according to my scale, but normally it's supposed to be 82, 83. The shape is special, ergonomical for right hand. Very well built. Let's mention that the sensor is 20,000 dpi, which is amazing. It's super accurate. Everybody says that. The grip, it's comfortable mouse, one of the best you can get at this class of mouses with the wires. It's a little bit bulky, but still comfortable. Nice RGB that we can control from Razer sign-up software. It's beautiful mouse. I really like it. Now let's check the Gigantes mousepad. This size is not exactly my favorite because it's the medium XL size. That's basically nothing. It doesn't even cover your desk and it's too big for a regular mousepad, but it's still very good quality. So this is the mousepad. This is size XL. I think it's good. Black thick mousepad with gummy surface here, even though I don't like that green exactly. It's okay. Razer Chroma green. The Razer logo here again with green. It's a good quality mousepad in my opinion. I'm sure you will have nice gaming experience on it. We will try it, of course, when we open all the peripherals. We'll do a test of 3 of them together, how they work. On first try, it slides very nicely, super smooth. And I kind of really like the edges there, they seem glossy to me. My advice to Razer is that they should update their series, maybe with some other new colors, not only the green and black that they always love so much. But come on, it's a nice mousepad. It's heavy, it stays on point, and you would be even happier if you choose the bigger, the 3x XL mousepad or 2x XL that covers the surface, half of your desk surface, and you can put your keyboard and your mouse on top of it, because that's way it reduces the wobble and the sound of your peripherals when you play, which is good for the people around you. Let's proceed to the keyboard. We have a couple of words more to say about it and try everything together in gaming condition. Let's open the box, see the keyboard. You can see that video in YouTube Shorts as well. This is the document. It's a Thanksgiving card from the Razer boss, and of course some stickers plus guide. Very important stuff, obviously. Then we have the package. A plastic sheet covers the keyboard to protect it. The package is tight. It squeezes the keyboard nicely inside. Then my favorite thing is the soft palm rest. This is really something that I would choose this keyboard for. I love it. On first sight, the keyboard seems sturdy. When I touch it, I can feel that it's made of plastic, but good quality plastic. It's a nice keyboard. The difference between Ornata V2 and the previous generation are the multimedia buttons and the volume wheel. Volume wheel has amazing feedback and is extremely accurate, and the multimedia buttons are programmable. That means you can make them any buttons you want. By the way, the technology of this keyboard is mecha membrane. That means it's hybrid keyboard, and that's not favorite to everybody, of course, but it's okay. Time to make a little type test. It's not a gaming keyboard if we don't have RGB. RGB for life! Here, the RGB is pair key. That means each one of the buttons has its own diode for RGB, which gives us the opportunity to do enormous customization. You control the RGB through the RGB software of Razer Synapse, which is not the most functional, but if it works properly, you can make amazing animations. The backlight is super bright and it gives you the immersive feeling of RGB. Oh yes, that's all I need. Nice RGB and gaming. I love making animations with the software. It's super cool. It actually works. Right now it works proper. I don't know why people say it's not functionally good software. I never had problems, but maybe that's the first time I'm testing Razer peripherals that much. Now it's time to test all of the three together in gaming conditions. We'll play a little bit Rogue Company and you will see that it's not bad to game on the keyboard as well. But it's specific feeling that is not for everybody. That's why I respect people's opinion and I can say, at least for me it works. I game nice on this keyboard. But I gave to a friend and he said he doesn't like it. So, we tested our Razer bundle setup here by playing Little Bit Rogue Company. I like the bundle, I like the setup. One thing I didn't like is maybe the mouse is too light for my taste and my hands got sweaty and tired of holding it a long time. I don't know, the form is not optimal for my hand, but it's cool mouse. It has RGB, it has the necessary buttons, the profile that you can change through the application. Everything is very cool. The buttons and the cable, that is special one, the sensor. We have the 8 programmable buttons, the Razer optical mouse switch, and the speed flex cable, which is nice braided cable. We have 20K Razer focus sensor. Basically this mouse is fast, it's precise, it's up to 20,000 dpi. It's a good mouse for its price, for sure, 100%. The keyboard I really like. I'm kind of addicted to this mecha membrane switch pressing. The only thing that I mentioned is the traveling time of the switches. Maybe it's too harsh. too harsh compared to the normal mechanical blue switches. But other than that, the RGB spare key is beautiful when the Razer sign-up software is working properly, of course. You can command it the way you want. It gives you such an immersive feeling for RGB. The wheel, the volume wheel with a feedback that is better than even a Logitech G915, because it has feedback. When it has feedback, it's even more precise. And the media buttons that you can program the way you want. Basically, this keyboard is sweet spot for entry gamers, the middle class gamers, because it's not fully mechanical. You know, don't take me wrong, some people can get used to mechanical switches from once. That's why they need to pass through membrane, maybe make a membrane and then go to mechanical. I really like the setup. The only thing that I didn't like, for sure, is the mouse pad size. I prefer bigger one, the bigger one that covers the keyboard area and the mouse area and even the monitor area. This size is not suitable for me. I don't like it, but the quality of the mouse pad is still good. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, follow me on social media, give like to this video and be positive. Thank you very much.